Hey there, it's me. Welcome to today's daily hip, knee and ankle flow. I'm so glad you're here. It's a great day to be alive. And today in this flow, we're going to focus on all the things that are moving and grooving, getting you out of a seat and into your day with more ease. So let's just begin by setting an intention. And I invite you to close your eyes if you can. Put your hands on your belly. Feel your breath. What is one thing you want to move better in your body today? Maybe it's your hips. Maybe it's your knees. Maybe it's your ankles. Maybe it's all three. Whatever it is, set that intention. Say that intention out loud. You can even write it down on a post-it note and stick it on your mirror. But let's get this flow started so you can start moving towards that intention. Okay, so from a seated position, bring the soles of your feet together and your knees open. If you can, put your hands down beside your hips. Inhale, lift up, turn to the right as far as you can. Then exhale and come back to center. Inhale again, lift up, and turn to the left. We're going to do 3 turns to each side, so 2 more to the right, 1 more to the left. Good, okay. Now from here, keeping our legs in this wide position, lean forward as far as you can, feeling a stretch in the upper back, in the shoulders. Hold this for 3 breaths. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, drop your belly down. Inhale again, reach overhead. Exhale, drop the belly down. Inhale 1 more time, and then come back to a nice upright position. Okay, so from here, bring your feet to the outside like this and rock from side to side, feeling your spine lengthen and stretch in between each movement. Alright, from here, stand up and bring your feet about hip width apart. Put your hands on your hips and rock forward, feeling your hamstrings and your glutes stretch. Inhale, stand all the way up, and exhale, bend your knee and come back down. Inhale, stand all the way up and exhale, and bend that same knee, coming down just a little bit lower than before. Inhale, stand up, and this time when you exhale, tap your foot and bend the opposite knee. Inhale, stand up and exhale again, bending that opposite knee just a little bit lower than you did before. Inhale, stand up and exhale, tap your foot and come on down. Good. So from here, we're going to take 3 big steps back, feeling our hips and our hamstrings stretching. 1 more step back. Now bring your foot right up against that wall and bring your other foot about a foot or so away from the wall. Turn your toes towards the wall and lift up onto your toes, feeling a stretch in the front of the ankle and the shin. Hold this for 3 breaths. Inhale, wiggle your toes. Exhale, drop your heels down. Inhale again, and hold. And then slowly come down and switch sides. Alright, that's it for today. As always, I hope you enjoyed this flow. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.